Good morning student, stay home, stay safe. Last video I have discussed the modern Olympic games. Now this time I am discuss the Paralympic games. Your syllabus Olympic, Paralympic and Special Olympic Bharat. Three topics are include your syllabus. So second topic is the Paralympic games. Paralympics means CWSN student are participate, means children with special needs student are participate, जिसे लोग like है दिव्यांग students. Some categories. Now discuss the Paralympic Games are a major international multi-sports event for the athletes with varied disabilities such as athletes with mobility disabilities, blindness and जो है Paralympic games are held at an interval of every 4 years following the Olympic games. These games are governed by the International Paralympic Committee, जिसको IPC बोलते हैं. कहीं कहीं क्वेश्चन पूछा व्हाट इज द IPC. IPC मीन्स इंटरनेशनल पैरा ओलंपिक कमेटी. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome 1960. However, the Paralympic word was used officially in 1988 Summer Olympics. It means the first time officially Paralympics name are used in 1988 Summer Olympics Games, which were held in Seoul. These were Summer Paralympic Games. The first Winter Paralympic Games were held in 1976 in Sweden. The Winter Paralympic Games are also held after every 4 years. यहाँ आपने दो वर्ड सुने, विंटर एंड समर. लाइक इसी तरीके से जब हम बिगिनिंग पढ़ते हैं तो एशियंट ओलंपिक गेम्स पढ़ते हैं, फिर हमको मॉडल ओलंपिक गेम्स पढ़ा जाता है. तो मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स में जो कंटिन्यूअस गेम्स है उसको समर ओलंपिक गेम्स बोलते हैं. कंटिन्यूअस जो गेम तो समर ओलंपिक, ग्रीष्मकालीन ओलंपिक खेल बोलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं समर ओलंपिक. फिर विंटर्स, जो विंटर्स में खेली जाएं, तो ये क्या होता है, समर एंड विंटर ओलंपिक्स. जैसे हमारी रेगुलर ओलंपिक्स होती है उसी तरीके से पैरा ओलंपिक गेम्स भी समर और विंटर ओलंपिक्स गेम्स में होता है. नाउ ओपनिंग सेरेमनी the Paralympic Games. The opening ceremony began with the hosting of the host country flag and rendition of its national anthem. After that national anthem, the athletes come for march past into the stadium grouped according to their nations. All the nations enter the stadium alphabetically according to the host country's chosen language. However, the host country's athletes enter last into the stadium. After that, host nation present its culture in the form of music, dance and singing, etc., etc. Formal opening of the game is announced. At last, Paralympics torch is brought into the stadium and passed on until it reached to the final torch bearer who finally light the Paralympic flame. This is the opening ceremony. Now closing ceremony. After the conclusion of all the sports event, the closing ceremony began. Flag bearers from each participating countries enter the stadium, followed by the athletes who enter together without any national distinction. The Paralympic flag is taken down. The games are officially closed and the Paralympic flame is stop burning. Stop burning means पैरालंपिक्स की जो टॉर्च होती है उसको बुझा दिया जाता है.